Okay, brand new GoPro connected. Looks like it's working. Let's go for a test ride. The steering stem bearings installed. I haven't got them torqued properly yet, I don't think, but we'll get it done. Let's just make sure all my brakes are working and everything else is good. I got it all put back together properly. We're just going to make a cruise home to from my garage, my shop, to my garage. First time the bike has been ridden since mid-January, so it's been down for over a month. And this coming weekend we're going to ride it into Bob's garage and torque the steering stem, but I can feel the cupping on my tires up front, but new tire next month will probably get rid of that, and I've got the Centromatics balancers on. There's another test. Let's see if my auto cancel works. Hey, yes it worked. I am good. Got everything back together properly. I'm a happy guy. Let's just cruise down the road here. It's all good. Yeah, I can feel some grinding up front, so we still got some work to do. Hopefully it's just tires. And the front steering stem bearing was in really bad shape, so I'm glad I got the new all balls one in. Definitely feel the front end. Still a little bit of snow here and there. But, that'll be gone by next week. It's supposed to stay warm for a while. So. Let's see if my garage door opener works. Yeah. This garage floor is wet, and when it's wet, it is slippery. Pull the bike in. And we're home.